ELI5. What exactly makes that swoosh sound when you drive past, even parked cars? Your car is always making a whoosh noise as it drives, as it drags the air with it. When you pass an object, that air blows past the object, and the whoosh from your car reflects back at you. The wheels on the ground make sound when the car drives past you. It's the Doppler effect. The pitch of the sound gets higher as it's coming closer, and after it passes you it gets lower as distance is increasing. It's the sound of air compressing between you and the other object. If you know how fast you are traveling, you can get a good guess of how quickly the other object is moving based on the pitch of the sound as you pass each other. I would imagine it's related to Doppler effect and the sounds reflecting back to your ear. Most of the sound will be the tires on the road. I actually was 5 when I asked this question. My father said it was an echo of our car when we drove past. The reason you don't hear it other times is that there is nothing to bounce the sound back. There's a sound associated with the balloon of air around your car, but what you're hearing is in echo almost entirely. If you listen carefully you can hear the individual posts in a guardrail, but you're mostly hearing your own car. The majority of it is the tire rolling noise. Closer objects reflect it better when you pass by. With modern cars, the tire is the loudest. Just take a listen. Even at a smaller road, you don't really hear engine sound, just tire. Everyone is saying it's the air being blown by the car, but it's actually the sound of the wheels rolling on the tar. You just hear it as a swoosh because of the Doppler effect. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more content.